Hi friends, welcome to Holiday Activities channel. Happy New Year 2021. This is my channel's 2020 year in review. From the beginning of lockdown, many started to search how to make a cake without oven. But in this video, I am going to show you how to make a delicious cake without heat. So watch this video without skipping till the end. Yeah friends, for making the cake, now we are making a yummy sticky sugar solution. For making the sugar solution, take 2 tumblers of water and dissolve 2 spoons of sugar in it. Mix it until it becomes a saturated solution. Now turn on the flame and mix till the sugar is dissolved. After dissolving all the sugar, take the sugar solution and transfer it to a glass and keep it in freezer and let it cool down for at least 2 minutes. I have took 2 cream biscuits. One is Treat and other is Bounce. You can take whatever you want. As this is no heat cake, we are going to make the cake with bread. I have used wheat bread as there is no normal bread available in the shop. You can use a normal bread which is white in color and especially sugar bread, not salt, which tastes better. Cut off all the edges. After cutting the edges, grind the 2 biscuits, Bounce and Treat, and keep it in separate bowls and mix it with milk till it's become like a yummy cream. Take any of the cream and keep 4 dots for the bread to stick without moving. Now place the 4 breads on the cream dots. Now take the sugar solution and apply it on the breads. This will give a soft texture for our cake and will be easy to bite. The more the cooler, the more the bread is softer and fluffier. Now I am taking a spoonful of Treat cream and keeping it on the bread and now spreading it evenly on all the 4 pieces. You can use this cake as a single piece cake or a family party cake. Now take another 4 bread with cutted corners and place it above the first 4 breads. Now for the second layer, I am taking 4 full spoons of bounce cream and applying it evenly. Our yummy cake is ready now, and for the final touch on the topping, I am taking almonds and grinding it on the bounce cream. You can also keep how many layers you want. It will be much yummier if you keep more than 3 layers. You can also decorate the cake by applying chocolate or vanilla cream by side. For extra sweet, I have took few pinches of sugar and sprinkled it above the cake. Our yummy cake is ready now. If you love to eat the cake hot, you can heat this cake in oven and to melt the chocolate further. I also have a blog. The blog's site I have given the link in the description. v.lakshan.blogspot.com. My name is V. Lakshan. You can also press the subscribe button and also subscribe with your email ID if the YouTube is blocked in your house by your parents. Also, if you like this video, press the like button, that's the thumbs up button, and press the subscribe button and press the bell icon and select all option to stay connected. Bye.